So some nuclei, heavy nuclei, they are unstable. Anybody wants to be stable, na? You want to be stable by giving your exam. Some person wants to secure their future and become stable by doing fixed deposit or by accumulating cash. So radioactivity is a phenomenon of spontaneous emission of invisible radiation from radioactive nuclei. The emission, spontaneous emission of invisible radiation from nucleus of radioactive substance is called as radioactivity. Is called as radioactivity. It does not depends upon temperature or pressure. So phenomenon of spontaneous emission of invisible radiation from nucleus of radioactive substance is called radioactivity. It does not depend upon temperature or pressure. Write the definition.
Done.
It's done full.
Yeah.
Okay. The spontaneous emission of invisible radiation from nucleus of radioactive substance is called as radioactivity. It does not depend upon temperature or pressure. See. Next one. State law of radioactive disintegration. State law of radioactive disintegration. To disintegrate means to split. To integrate means to add. The rate of disintegration, that is number of atoms, radioactive atoms to be more precise, the rate of disintegration of radioactive atoms per second. So number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per second. The rate of disintegration, that is number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per second is directly proportional to the number of atoms present at that instant. The rate of disintegration, that is number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per second, is directly proportional to number of atoms present at that instant. Let n0, let n be the number of atoms present at any instant. Therefore, dn upon dt is proportional to n. Please copy till this. Yes, completed till that. Dn by dt is proportional to n.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, dn upon dt is minus lambda n, where lambda is a constant called as decay constant. The negative sign indicates that when time increases means atom will decrease. So rate of disintegration will start decreasing. When time increases, rate of decay will decrease. This is meaning of negative sign. Yeah, copy this 3 lines again. Chalo, can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Now, one of the very important derivation which is asked almost every time in the exam for 2 marks. Show that n means number of atom present at any instant, n0 present at the start, e raised to minus lambda t. Show that n equals to n0, e raised to minus lambda t. By, pardon, by law of radioactive disintegration, by law of radioactive disintegration, dn upon dt is minus lambda n. From dn we want n, that means we should think of integration. But whenever you are integrating, with n we should have dn, with p we should have dt, with x we should have dx. Now dn is here left hand side, n is on the right hand side, so I am rearranging. Dn upon n is minus lambda. Now integrating both the sides, we get integration of dn upon n is minus lambda d. What is integration of 1 upon n? Log of n is minus lambda t plus c, where c is constant of integration. When time is 0, n is n0, correct? Na? Start means time 0, n is n0. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when n becomes n0, I can say t is 0 so that I can get c value. What is 0 into anything?
0.
0. So c is log of n0 we got. Please copy this. Just 2 more lines. Friday, how your lectures are? Hello?
Sir, Friday I have chemistry at 6:30 and
This
bio in the morning.
bio is 7 to 9 morning.
Morning it is 8:30 to 10:30.
Acha, and then bio you have. Then chemistry you have.
Then chemistry in the evening 6:30.
Acha, chemistry is in the evening 6:30.
Yeah.
No, I think this time you are comfortable, na?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, this time only we'll stick to. In case I feel we are lagging in the portion, then I will make it 6 days.
Okay, sir.
Now, since I have given 3 days, please keep on revising your previous chapters.
Done, sir.
Right? Now see, after getting C, I substituted the C value in 1. So therefore log of n, this log of n is minus lambda t, is got log n0. That I substituted here. Okay. What is log A minus log B? If you know from math, is it log A upon B?
Yeah.
Nothing is here. Then what is base of log? Because log is always written with some base. Nothing given means what is the base? E. So this
Yeah.
is like base E. Then when you interchange log to algebraic function, this base remains same and there is interchange. That means this becomes now answer n upon n0 is e raised to minus lambda. Earlier this was answer. That becomes power and log becomes answer. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
So we can say therefore n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda. Oh. N equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda.
Done, sir.
Define half life period. Half life period. So suppose one radioactive substance is having 500 atom, it becomes 250 in 10 hours, then it is called half life period. The time is called half life period. Or if it is in gram, 10 gram becomes 5 gram, then also it is called half life period. So time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to half of its original value is called as half life period. The time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to half of its original value is called as half life period. Write the definition. It is denoted by capital T. The time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to half of its original value is called as half-life period.
Done, sir.
Time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to half of its original value is called as half-life period. Show that capital T, that means half-life period, is 0.693 upon lambda. Sometimes people write like this also, T half, meaning is same. What is T? Half-life, na?
Yes, sir.
Half-life means time taken to reduce to half of its original value.
Yes, sir.
So since we know that at any instant n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda t, when n becomes half of original, then t becomes half-life period. So n becomes n0 by 2 equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. N0, n0 we can cancel. That means 2 raised to minus 1 equals to e raised to minus lambda t. So 2 equals to e raised to lambda t. Can I write this is log of 2 to the base e equals to lambda t?
Yeah, sir.
Now log 2 with base 10, if you want to make, we multiply with 2.303 to convert base e to 10. Log 2 is lambda t. So 2.303 into log 2 is 0.3010 equals to lambda into t. When you multiply these two, you will get that as 0.693 equals to lambda into t. So t equals to 0.693 upon lambda. Hence, done.
Yes, sir.
Define mean life is denoted by small t. The reciprocal of decay constant. The reciprocal of decay constant is called as mean life. That is t equal to 1 upon lambda. See, n means n0 e raised to minus lambda t. So n equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda. If I put t as 1 by lambda, so this lambda will get cancelled. Can I say that means it is e raised to minus 1? Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That means n becomes n0 upon e raised to minus 1 by indices this 1 upon e, and e value is 2.713. This when you simplify 1 upon 2, you will get 3685 n0. That means can I say it is nearly 37% of n0? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
0.368, I can write 37 multiply by 100 divide by 100, it will become 37%.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So thus mean life is also defined as time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to 37% of its original value. 50% mean life, 37% then, sorry, 50% then half life, and 37% then how much? What it is called? Mean life. Okay,
Yeah.
right, right. Copy now. Copy full, and then mean life ka ek aur definition which we have written at the end. Thus, mean life is also defined as time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to 37% of original value.
Done, sir.
Today we are stopping bit early. Next class I will extend half an hour more. So today's Wednesday, Friday it will be till 8:30 to 10. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that we can compensate this.
Okay.
आज इतना ही करते हैं. Next we'll meet on Friday with half an hour more.
Okay.
That's all for
Thank you
today.
so much.
Revise and be ready because Friday खत्म हो जाएगा फिर ये chapter.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.